Hi Facebook and YouTube people, but today I'll be doing an impersonation of Sammy from Jersey Shore. She's so annoying. She gets on my nerves. I hate her. But actually, I think like 2 weeks ago I was watching Jersey Shore and I heard her say something and I said it. I was like, oh my god, I sound like her. So I was like, let me just make fun of her and put it on the internet. So basically, I'm gonna do an impersonation, and my impersonation is Sammy telling Ron to get out of her room and how he broke her glasses and how he cheated on her and all that good stuff about their stupid relationship. So here it goes. Ron, just get out of my room and shut my door. I have nothing to say to you, Ron. Everybody knows you cheated on me. Mike, Snooki, JWoww, Vinny, they all know. That's why I feel stupid. I'm not going to sit in this house and hear you say all these things to me. I'm not going to live in a house with a maniac. So Ron, get your stuff and get out of my room and shut my door. I have nothing to say to you. You broke my glasses. I'm not going to be in a relationship with you. That's why I'm going home. So there you go. That's my Sammy impersonation. So everybody like it, comment, go on Facebook, YouTube, so I can get a lot of views. Bye.
Hi, Mom.
Click